Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Steam overlay not working. So here's what you need to do is, first of all, open the Steam application, click the Steam icon in the top left hand side corner, go to settings. Then a pop-up window opens up. From here, in the left hand side corner, click on in-game options. While you are on this section, you want to make sure that enable the Steam overlay while in game. Make sure that this option is toggled on. And as you've done it, so you also make sure to go ahead and enable the option for use a big picture overlay when using a controller. Make sure that this button is enabled as well. As you've done it, so now then close this tab and restart your PC and see that has been fixed or not. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, the other thing you also want to do is come to the Steam, go to check for Steam client update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. You want to check for that as well. Despite that, if the issue still persists or continue, the next thing you also want to do is completely close the Steam. So right click on the mouse, come to Task Manager. Over here, when you locate Steam, you want to right click and go to end task. Once you've actually done it, so this is going to completely close Steam, and then try restarting your PC once again and see that will be able to fix. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the last alternative you try is go to the search bar, type in add or remove, go to open file, and here you want to locate Steam and simply uninstall it by tapping on the three dot icon right next to it and click on uninstall. This is going to help you out. Now then reinstall Steam. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.